What's up, Glamour and Sugaries? It's me, Cherry. Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna make something smooth and creamy and cold and delicious. Also, it's gonna be super simple to make. Boba fruit smoothies. Ooh, I love these. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up to like my video and the notification bell to make sure you get notified when I come out with a new one. Also, a quick hooray! We reached 300 subscribers! Yay! Thank you to all my family and friends out there who are supporting me. I really appreciate it and I love you. I know the first question on your mind, why am I wearing overalls? Because they're new and they feel like pajamas. So we're gonna be comfortable and make some delicious drinks. What is boba? Well, it's an originally, already tongue-tied and I barely started. What is boba? Originally, it is a tea-based drink that was invented in Taichung, Taiwan in the 1980s. They put Boba Balls, aka tapioca pearls, in the bottom of the boba drinks, as well as adding other toppings. Tapioca balls are made from tapioca starch, which comes from Tapioca balls come from tapioca starch, which is made from cassava root. It can be served cold, or hot. But I want to tell you a secret, but you can't tell anybody. If I'm desperate for some boba, I'll make myself a chocolate milk and throw some boba in the bottom. It's perfect. One more helpful thing about it, for my vegan friends out there, there's no gelatin in them. Now let's get into those ingredients. We're starting to boil the boba balls first. So when the balls start to float up at the top here, and it is at a rolling boil, then we can turn it down to about a medium heat here and continue to boil it for about 2 more minutes. Don't forget to keep on stirring it and get your slotted spoon or spider ready for when these are done. The package says it's ready in 5 minutes. That's actually pretty accurate. Whoa, look how puffy they are. They're so cute. This is how they are. They look light and airy and like little balloons of yumminess. When the time is up, go ahead and turn off the heat. Grab your protective mitt and carefully bring it over, and we're going to pour it like this and drain out that hot water. Be careful, it's very hot. All right, and we're transferring it into another bowl like this. Just scoop out those pearls. Look at those little pearly yumminesses. Discard that initial liquid that we had from the pot, and then take some cold water and pour it just until the boba balls are covered. And then you're gonna take your dark brown sugar. I recommend the dark brown because it gives it such good flavor. You can use the golden brown, but just that little more hint of molasses actually makes it taste better. Trust me. And put that in there. Stir it around. And let that marinate. Yeah. What we're making here is a sugar syrup, and it keeps the boba balls soft and chewy. Sorry. All right, can I marinate with you guys? I'll just eat this by itself, I would. It's also better if you don't add ice to this, because I know you want to cool it faster, but it tastes better when it's warm. Set this aside, and now it's time to make the smoothies. So break out your fruit. I got frozen strawberries and frozen dragon fruit. I've never tried this. I don't know what it looks like. Let's see together. Let's start with a strawberry smoothie. Oh my gosh. Oh, these smell so good. Look at them. They usually freeze them when they're like super ripe, so they're yummy and I can't wait to use them. So remember that the ice kind of depends on how frozen your fruit is. Like if you use fresh fruit, you have to use more ice because you need that icy texture to keep the smoothie intact. But since these are already like frozen ice fruit, you use more of these and less of the ice. You can do this in any order you like, but I find that if you put the liquid in first, it's less trying on your mixer. Not your mixer, that's what I use every day. This is a Vitamix blender. If you use a mixer, I don't know what you're gonna get, but it ain't gonna be a smoothie. 1 cup of cold milk. Oh boy, I'm getting thirsty. All right, now we're gonna put half a cup to 1 cup of ice. That looks about like half a cup. Now, 2 cups of fruit. Oh, these smell like fresh strawberries from the garden. You can always put extra, no big deal. Now it's time to add the sugar. Now if you don't want extra sugar, you can just do it as is for the pure fruit. But I'll probably add about a tablespoon of condensed milk because this adds the creaminess to the smoothie that I really like. Some people use yogurt or Greek yogurt or whatever it is you want. Or just simple sugar you could use. Let's try that and see if we need more. Make sure you get your trusty sword, your magic wand for your Vitamix or your mixer, and put it in there. You're gonna hit the on button for smoothie, baby. And it's going to work because you're gonna turn it on. Yeah! Oh! The more that it looks like it's stuck, the thicker it is. It's done! Now we're just gonna try it and see if the sugar level is to my liking. Not sweet enough. Gotta put some more condensed milk. Those strawberries are actually not as sweet as they smell, unfortunately. So we are gonna add about 2 tablespoons more of this condensed milk, and I guarantee it's gonna turn out good. I want mine to taste like Jamba, so I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of regular sugar in there too. And hit that, baby. One more taste. Perfect. It's time to assemble. So get your 12-ounce cup and your lid that goes with it. If you want to be fancy, go to one of those bulk stores and get this cool bubble tea top. Don't forget your straws, and they have to be big enough to fit the Boba Balls. I'll put some links below. So take your tapioca balls, however many you want to put in the bottom there, with your spider, and then just put them in there. Make sure there's enough for everybody. Grab your smoothie and pour it on in, baby. Whoa, that looks awesome. Okay, so yes, you have a little bit of extra. Is that really a crime? I don't think so. Top it off with your cap there and pour your straw in and get really excited because this is a boba smoothie. Ah. If you want to, you can put whipped cream over it and whatever, but I'm gonna keep it a little bit healthier. Let's just try it now. Take a really close look at this beautiful smoothie. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, these Boba Balls, super chewy and delicious from the flavor of the brown sugar. And the smoothie tastes like it's from Jamba. So this is a winner chicken dinner. Clean it out and get ready for round 2, Dragon. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh. It's like pinkish purple, hot pink. Can you see that? Oh, that looks amazing. I think we have to try one to see if it's sweet or not. It's really good, but it's not really sweet. So we're gonna have to do the same formula we did for the strawberry. Half a cup of ice. And if you just wanna make one for one person, I think actually 1 cup of this would be just fine. 1 cup of the dragon fruit. Oh my gosh, look at that. Natural and gorgeous. Now we're gonna add our sweetener. And like I said, it's up to you how sweet you want it. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's put it on the smoothie setting. Go. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Stop! We forgot the milk. Half a cup of milk. Come on, cover. That should be plenty for 1. But if you want that extra, do what I said for the strawberry. Let's try this. Yeah. All right, let's pour it out. Get your 2nd cup. Pour in your boba. And here we go, baby. Take a close look at that. Purpley purple monster goodness. Whoa! All right, put your cap on. The lid. Get your beautiful green straw, and OMG, look at that. Take a really close look at how pretty that is. Sip number 2. This is a very unique flavor. I really like dragon fruit bowls, so I think that people who love dragon fruit are gonna love this. All right, guys, that's it for today. We got some delicious fruit smoothies for you. I hope you get to make these at home and enjoy, because they are delicious. I got double the pleasure here. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below, the thumbs up to like my video, and don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. It's super easy. You can make smoothies out of anything, just the way you like it. Thank you so much, Glamour and Sugaries, for watching, and I'll catch you at the next episode. Have a great spring and Easter. Bye!